In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make $200 per day fast with Clickbank. It's Clickbank for Beginners. My name's Graeme and I make these videos on affiliate marketing, making money online, and how-to tutorials. I've been online for about 10 years now. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and that'll get you notified of future videos. YouTube knows the sorts of videos that you're interested in or watching. It also helps me get these videos out to more people. You will want to watch to the end. You won't want to miss this tutorial. If you miss any part, it won't work. In today's video, I'm also going to show you how you can maximize what you make by collecting emails. In a moment, I'll show you some free landing page software which enables you to collect emails, email addresses, and automatically send emails out to your subscribers. And I'm also going to show you a traffic source, because without traffic, you can have a great landing page or a great opt-in page and a great offer. Without traffic, it's wasted. Without traffic, which is visitors to your offer or to your website, or potential buyers. So you want potential buyers. So in today's video, I'll show you a great source for that as well. So here we are at Clickbank, one of the largest affiliate networks as well. If you have a look here, it's in around 200 countries, been here for this. Now, you can pretty well any country in the world. There's only a couple of countries that you can't sign up to be an affiliate. So to sign up, you'll need to go here. Need to give them some banking details. Country, create an account. It's free. Some tax details, and then you'll go over to the marketplace. If you have a look here, if you haven't seen my videos before, there's lots of different categories, subcategories. If you have a look, you can click on that. It'll open up and subcategories as well. So not only in health and fitness, besides fitness, meditation, men's health, women's health, mental health. Way you can look for a product, or the other way is you can go up here, and I'm going to show you another way of filtering as to get products that are not in huge demand yet. So you go up here to find product to do it. Click on the magnifying glass to search. This will bring up the top products, and as you can see, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the top ranked price. Commission is $136. And if you look down here on the bottom, the stats, it shows you the dollar conversion, $135. It's got a recurring component, which you could get $34 odd per month. But the thing here, and it shows you the category as well: health, fitness, diets, and weight loss. The other thing that's important is the gravity. Now, some people will tell you go and find a product that's got a high gravity and promote it. That's all well and good. If you're new or you haven't been doing this for long, yes, it'll pay a good commission. Also, it shows demand, because what gravity is, it's an indicator of the popularity of the product. So it's in demand because gravity is the number of other affiliates that have sold at least one of these products in the last 30 days. So you could say 640 people, affiliates, have sold at least one of these products in the last 30 days. So it shows demand, but on the other hand, it's also a double-edged sword. It shows that it's very competitive. Now, if you go, I'm going to show you here. If you go over here to the side here and find a product that has been newly released, so that it doesn't have a lot of competition yet, as long as it's got some, and because a lot of people just go and search for the high gravity. Now, a lot of affiliates won't even know these products are available yet. But if you get something that's been, my computer's slowing down because of this capture software. If you look for, and here's a product that would be probably fit this. It's got a gravity of 83, and it's only been listed for, where did it go? The 5th month. So it's been on here about a month, and it's also already got a gravity of 30 of 80 at it. Only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't have an affiliate page, but you can email them. So let's have a look at the sales page. This product is probably created by someone that has a lot of these products on here already, because the layout, the video sales letter is all similar. Primitive African tribe ritual reveals a secret to rebuild your gums and teeth and get rid of tooth decay. So you can go down here, you click on the thing on this button to listen to do that. Now I suggest you want to be familiar with the product. Then it shows the pricing and they can click on buy. Now also it says here, prefer to read, get the full story. Now this is how you can also get some information to use in your some images and things like that. The one thing I don't like about this product is it doesn't have an affiliate, but they have a lot of detail on here, and they've tested this, so it obviously works. So now you want to go back and get your affiliate link. So, as I said before, it's only been listed for about a month, and it's got a gravity of 83. So, and it's paying on average $112. So to get your affiliate link, so you've clicked on promote, generate hop link, and you'll get a choice here of default, which will be the video sales letter or the text-based letter sales page. I'd go with the default, the video. They usually convert better. You can test it. Here's a link. Now, it looks very spammy. Some people won't click on it because they'll think it's spammy. Other people will know it's an affiliate link and don't want to click on an affiliate link because they think it's going to cost them more. It doesn't. So click on that. Copy that. We're going to go over to a page, a URL shortener called Bitly. Now, Bitly is free. There is a paid version as well, and I suggest signing up, because one of the good things when you sign up, you can actually track the number of clicks on your link. Just click on shorten and it gives you this nice link, this nice shortened link. Now that's the link that you will use in your promotions for this product. Okay, so here we are at a website called MailChimp. Now MailChimp is a CRM, and what it does, it allows you to, it's an autoresponder. It allows you to collect emails and automatically send out emails. This is how, because you look back here at what this product paid, it was $112. Now, I don't make $200 a day. Well, how you're going to do that is by collecting email addresses, and then you send people more information. And as a result of that, more people will buy. And $200 a day is very conservative. So let's have a look. And there's a free option. So we just go here to pricing. There is a free option. It'll bring that up in a moment, which is good. Allows you to get started. So you can have up to 2,000. And I think it's 10,000 emails a month. It shows you what page and that inside of this software. So here we go. Go over here to create. And makes it easy. There's templates here for you to use, so we can go create an email. You might want to call this campaign back again. It's called Dentitox, and you might need to search for a name, because sometimes if the name is taken. So let's begin, and let's go through this. To go through here, it'll be from you. Subject, put a subject in here, and then you can design your email. So here you go, you can create a landing page. And look, there's some really good training videos on using this search on YouTube. So you can name title of your page. It gives you the URL that you will promote, audience and tags, contacts will be added to, and create a new audience. Audience is just a list name, so you might call your list Dentitox if you're doing something else, or you might You know, Okinawa Fat Belly Fix puts a content in here. Pretty straightforward. You could just have that, or you could put a title, a text headline, and you could put an image here if you wanted, and you just drag these things across. Here's an idea that you could use. Let's say we go with what's there. Don't forget to publish it, otherwise it'll just be on here and it won't be available on the internet. So once it will show you your landing page link. So when you actually promote the product, it's going to be because you click the emails, and then we're going to set up in the autoresponder what happens after they enter their email. Now I haven't done anything to it, that's just what was in the default, and of course you can alter all of this, you can edit all of this. Now just for this video I won't go into the total setup of your landing page because there's some really good tutorials, and you know, it just makes the video longer. So what I've done, I've just gone to YouTube, typed in how to set up a free landing page with MailChimp, and as you can see there are many tutorials here. You look at one of them. You might call it a landing page, some of them call it this will they'll step you through how to set it up, because once they enter your email, I can hear you thinking, all right, they've put their email address in, but now what? But in the back end, there's a direction that you make once they enter their email address. What happens then? They're then automatically redirected to your video sales letter, and you can set up then a sequence of emails in your autoresponder to go out automatically, and I suggest a day apart. And in those emails you could get some information from the sales page and just update people on them. Don't try and sell them, because if you give them more information, it's the more information that people like that has them buy the product. And sometimes I'd set up a sequence for a week. It takes somewhere around 3 to 7 times for a person to visit a sales letter, a sales page before they buy. Some people are just ready to buy. So what you might do is you might send them after they've gone to the video sales letter, you might then send them back to the text-based sales letter. Now in your emails, you want to concentrate on people's pain points. That's what has them buy it. Now for this product, it's about gum disease. So you could either go to Google and type in gum disease and get some here and put some of these problems that people face as a result of gum disease in. Or you go to, and of course you then put a hyperlink in there, which is the link back to the video. A website called Esign Articles. You could go in here and you could type in gum disease, and I'm sure there will be something in here as well. These articles you can use the author credit. You're showing with gum disease and bad breath. Look at for the titles of your emails, and maybe just rewrite this or copy and paste some of it from 2 or 3 different articles. All right, so I hope that's covered off on what you put in your emails. Now the next thing we want is eyes or bums on seats to look at our offer. And again, the link that you're going to promote in your traffic will be the link that is your landing page. So the link that was given to you by MailChimp. Now the traffic source we're going to use is a website called Quora. What Quora is, it's a website. Now these questions, people go here and ask questions, and what are some of those questions? And Quora, as a rule, Quora treats affiliate links as spam, and that's why you need to have a landing page or an opt-in page in between where your content here and not direct link to the affiliate link. So using a landing page like I've shown, the MailChimp landing page or opt-in page is legitimate because it's a unique link. Now you've sent people to that link and people have clicked on the link and opted into your web page, into your autoresponder at MailChimp, the email address that in your emails, the link that you use then is the bit.ly link, which is different to, you don't want to send them back to your opt-in page again, if it makes sense. So the link you put into the emails will be your bit.ly link. The link you put in Quora will be that you got from MailChimp. Now what you can do so that it doesn't look, and get another link, you can go and put your MailChimp link for that as well. So then you just go through here. That was go to do is you search for topics related to your. Now have a look, and don't just go and write a two-line answer. As I said, you could use articles even from Ease On Articles, but Quora also has something in there that don't copy and paste content, because they will pick it up. Make it unique. Just model it. And I suggest that you use some images. I'll show you a couple of answers that I've made, and you can put a couple of links through there. You can actually hyperlink it back to your SurveyMonkey page. And this is a sort of thing that you could do. Use some bullet points, maybe some bold, and don't overdo it with the hyperlinks. And you're answering the question, not promoting your product. So easy to make images. If you don't know how to make a simple image, go to a website called Canva, Canva, and you can make very simple images in there. And in your bio about yourself, you get to leave a link in there as well. So that's the best way to make $200 per day fast with Clickbank, especially if you're a beginner. Now, if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Hope you've got value from it. If you're interested in going into the draw for a $50 Amazon voucher, comment below, yes please, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.